Shirley Sodari Waisalli Amri Mahlul Sani Yakfaw Khawli. Respected dignitaries on the dais, teachers, and my dear parents, students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Education is a journey that determines the ordinary moments into extraordinary futures. And this school has been the beginning of mine. Standing here today as an alumni of these wonderful institutions truly feel like I'm coming back to my home. This is the school, is not just a place. It is a place where I discovered my dreams and I built my confidence and also it shaped the person who I am today. I still remember the day, the first day of my high schools. I came from the government school backgrounds. When I came here, it was totally different. The new subjects and the classroom and the teachers, friends, even the subjects also, ma'am used to tell, math, science and all. But I came from Ganita, Vijnana, Bhauta Shastra and theli. But when I came here, ma'am used to tell, take your biology notes, take your physics notes and all. So this was totally different and we felt like, what is this? What is this ma'am used to tell and all. But with the help of my friends and teachers, management, we gained our confidence and we went through our journey beautifully. Again, I want to mention one thing about my school is when I was in 10th standard, I want to give two instances with my experiences. I want to express one thing about my management. When we are in the first PUC and also we are very first batch of this college, our parents are forced to come here. So we did not get any college vibe siglilla. So every time we used to fight and with due respect to Aminaka, we used to call him Aminaka. Amin sir ge phone ಮಾಡಿ sir ಬನ್ನಿ attend ಮಾಡಿ, we have a meeting, you have to talk ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತು ಓಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಸರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವೈಬ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಡೂ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಕನ್ಸೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಓಕೆ ವಿ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್, ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದ ಚೇರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಫರ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಏನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪೂರೈಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈವನ್ ಹಸೀಬ್ ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ರೌಫ್ ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ದೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್. And I want to tell one thing for my dear friends, make your school days with best and also explore the things and questions, ask questions, never be afraid to learn. The world outside is a very big and competitive and even more challenging also. But the strength, the confidence and confidence, encouragement you gain here, it will help to shine wherever you go. But one thing you remember that wherever you go, you always carry the brand name of these institutions with pride and also with shines. And I learned one thing from this institution is that your marks, your qualifications, your degrees or your course certificate is important in your life. But one thing is your discipline, your behavior is very much important in your life. And the same thing my school taught me that your achievement is matter in your life. But your behaviors, your values, how you bear to others is very much necessary in your life. These two things I learned from my schools. And also, I am truly honored to be a part of these auspicious occasions. When Fazana ma'am, with due respect to Fazana ma'am, she is a dynamic leader of our institutions, an inspired lady, and she used to call me, yaವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೋ ನಾ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಶಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೇನಂತ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಇರೋದು ನೀವು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹರ್. When I was in 10th standard, I don't know ma'am whether you remember not, but we had a groups. ನಮಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು SLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. And also my best friend also there in that group, that is Mrs. Rubaina. She is a working lecturer in this institution. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ದು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡಿ, ಹಿಂದಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ 6 subjects. Truly we are blessed to have you, ma'am, in our institutions. And I want to give one piece of advices to my friends. Nothing but don't limit your dreams. Every achievement starts from every dreams. And whether it is the dreams, whether it is a too small or too big, you have to dream. Whether if we start dreaming ourselves or doubting ourselves or what might others say ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, we never achieve anything in our life. Your dream is a big. If you have the courage to chase, then you will succeed in your life. The achievement may be every achievement begins with a small dream. Whether it's a scientist discovering a new thing, or an artist making a masterpieces, whatever may be, everything begins with the small dreams. So never give up your dream at any cost. I want to tell a small story. Have you all observed the eagle? Yes, right? Okay. See, eagle ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಎತ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. And also it never ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಹೈ ಸ್ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಳೆ ಬರಲಿ ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ, ಡಸಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್. ಯಾವ ಆಬ್ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ it focuses, it determines, it works hard. In the same way, it observes its surroundings. And also, have you observed the eagle flies? ಹೇಗೆ ಫ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈಗಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸುತ್ತಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಫೋಕಸಸ್, ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ಸ್ and it wants to catch something. Have you observed? See, it catches the something. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ನೆವರ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಬಿಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಈಗಲ್. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೀಮನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ fly high like eagles and achieve whatever you want in your lives. May these institutions continue to grow, inspire, and create many more leaders who will benefit our society. May it shape countless bright futures and keep spreading knowledges, values, and hope for generations to come. Once again, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to these institutions for these opportunities. Thank you. Have a wonderful and colorful day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.